Fashion.
What is a better way to start the day than to reverse tie-dye and slay? AKA, we're gonna bleach your jeans. Okay, let's do it.
Step 1.
Step 1.
Take a jeans.
Step 2.
Step 2.
If you care, take your if you care glove. If you don't care... I'm also confused what to do if you don't care, but I don't know, okay? So please, don't ask me.
Step 3.
Step 3.
Take the gloves out of the packet. Oh, you already did that.
Step 4.
Step 4.
Gather the fabric together.
Step 5.
Step 5.
Add rubber band.
Step
Step 6.
If rubber band breaks, sigh deeply and shoot it at the cameraman.
Step 7.
Step 7.
Okay, I'll admit, I don't have a cameraman, but with the editing it kind of looks like it, doesn't it?
Step 8.
Step 8.
Pour the bleach in a bottle with a small opening.
Step 9.
Step 9.
Ventilate well. So yes, open the window.
Yes, the other one too, of course.
Step 10.
Step 10.
Pull on glove.
The other one too, of course.
Step 11.
Step 11.
Shall we forget about the step system otherwise? It gets a little bit annoying now, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think so too, okay.
It was a great opportunity to hear some Finnish today, though. Do I even have Finnish viewers? Let me know in the comments. Can't help but wonder if Finnish people finish quicker with this kind of stuff. Anyway, let's go on. Lay my jeans in there, go a few times over it with my bottle of bleach, and then I wait, checking in sometimes how it's going. Carlos? No, not you. Oh, Coco and Chanel. No. Okay, I think it's finished. Let's rinse this well and... Ta-da! Ah. Okay. Okay. I promised a patchwork. I'll make a patchwork. So let's do it. So I'm gonna use the light blue jeans as a base and I'm just gonna sew the bleached patches on there. I would almost take this as the base because I think the bleaching turned out really cute. This is such a stretchy kind of skinny jeans. Patchwork on skinny jeans. No, just no. Just cut some pieces, I guess.
Step
6.
Oh, can you stop it please? I've been pinning, I've been getting it off again, pinning again. So I'm just gonna try to fit it on. And let's just hope I'm not gonna pin in my butt. Because there's a lot of pins in there. So I'm gonna change myself now. Yes, I know. One sock has watermelons and the other one doesn't. This is exactly this kind of if you care situation and I happen to not care today. Okay, thank you. So then I'm just gonna open the inner seam with my seam ripper so that I can lie the leg completely flat and sew my patches easily under there, under the sewing machine. So I'm just discovering now how easy it is to basically pull some threads out on the edge. So I think I'm just gonna pull some threads to make the edges nice and fraying. Now I'm gonna sew the patches on the pants and I think that's the easiest way to do it. I sew every patch on there separately. I'm not gonna go too close to the fraying edges. They're gonna fall off in the washing machine otherwise. And then as a last step I decided to get this back pocket off and somehow suddenly everything made total sense. See what I mean? No, I don't mean the halo. So I really professionally took my yellow yarn to do this kind of jeans top stitch, and I ended up having to go from both sides because I just could not manage doing the whole seam just from one side. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, it was quite a struggle to get this thing finished. It's one of the easiest things I did on my channel. I think it's very beginner friendly, but this week I just had no energy. I guess it's cool, I don't know. I'm curious what you think, let me know in the comments. I think it can be maybe a little bit trashy, but also if you combine it nicely, you can really make it high-end. So if you enjoyed the video, it helps so much if you like it, if you leave a comment, or if you share it with your friends. And if you want to see more, please subscribe.